Hello everyone and welcome to Ali Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chain and how to hold your crochet hook and how to manage your yarn. So to begin with, and how to hold your yarn on your left hand if you are right-handed. You have the yarn over here. Grab the yarn first. Yarn over into your pinky finger all the way to your index. Then put the yarn under your index finger and grab it yarn over on the upper part. Then your thumb and your middle finger are gonna hold the end of the yarn. And make sure you don't have to hold this really tight like this. Loosen it up a little bit so it's easy for you to work with. So now we have here, I always do my slip knot just like this. Put the yarn on top, put the hook on top of the yarn, then twist it forward and hold it into your middle and thumb. While holding it still and steady, you grab your yarn over and pull through and tighten it just like this. This is how I make my slip knot. But on some other people, they usually make a slip knot by just like tying a knot just like this. Insert your hook and tighten it up. This is more easier, right? But it's up to you. So to begin with, we have our slip knot already. So we make the chain. Yarn over, pull through, and that's our first chain. Again, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And this is how we make a chain. So again, let's make it again. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is our chain. Thank you for watching.